Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to simply boost your Android phone storage without losing files. So let's see. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the app that you mostly use on that particular Android phone. Like for instance, I mostly use Chrome browser. So I'm going to click on my Chrome browser right here. I'll click and hold down, and then I'll make sure I go to app info. I'm going to click on that. Then it's open up like this. Next thing I'm going to do is to go to storage and cache. That's going to take me right here. As you can see right here, as at the time of making this video, this Chrome has generated 278 cache files. So what we want to do is to click on clear cache. It's as simple as that. We are able to save at least 200 and something megabytes. So I'm going to exit from here. Then I'm going to go to my Copilot right here. I'll click and hold down. Then I'll make sure I go to app info. Then I'll go to storage and cache. Then here I have just 2.8 cache. And you click on clear and cache. Once you clear the cache, exit from here. So you can go on and do it as many as possible for all the apps you have on your Android phone. Lastly, what you need to do next is to simply make sure you go to your Play Store. Then from Play Store, click on your profile icon. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. The next thing you need to do is to click on general. Then you have to come to automatically archive apps. What this simply means that app you use really will be archived when storage runs low. What you need to do is to simply turn on this particular button. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply boost your Android phone storage without deleting files. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.